boys and girls, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make this cute little 3D Christmas tree gift tag. So for this we just need some glitter paper and some cardstock, some sequins, and this twine. So for this I am making some circles in the glitter sheet. You can use a compass, or if you have punches then you can use that. So first we'll need 4 kind of circles. The first circle has a diameter of 1 inch, the second one is 1.5 inch, the third one is 2 inches, and the fourth one is 2.5 inches. You can alter the sizes a little bit, or if you don't have any punches you can just make circles like this and then just cut it out. Okay, now what we will do is start with your smallest or your biggest, doesn't really matter. So you're gonna make a cut from here till the center like this, and then I'm going to fold it like this, like so, to make a cone kind of thing, and then just press it. So if you feel that there's something is coming out from here and there, then you can just trim this off like this. After that you can staple your piece so that we don't have much work. You can simply just do this to make it quick and easy. And then again I'm going to do the same thing with this one. So just hold this and make a cone like kind of thing. When these two edges match, then just press like so. Then again just staple the third one, like this. And the fourth one is really small, so you can't really staple this. So I'm just going to glue this with my glue gun. There we go. Now I have cut a tag like this. It's 3.5 inches by 2.5 inches. Then I have cut those corners here and make a hole punch. Now after this, take your glue gun. Mine is hot really, so first I'm just going to put a little bit of glue here and just dab it like this, and then put some glue. When you're working with glue gun, just make sure that you don't burn yourself. Now I will start putting my tree here. Don't press too much, otherwise the glue is gonna come out. Now this part here from the staple side, I'm going to put glue. The idea to make it more 3D is to not press it too much, otherwise it's gonna be a little bit flat. So just stick it like this and don't press too much. If your glue is sticking out, now is the time to clean it, otherwise you will have glue marks all over. And then the third one, and then the fourth one. There we go. Now for making the star, I am taking my golden glitter sheet and I'm drawing a star on the side. And then I'm just going to cut it. And then I've put the hot glue gun on top and then just sticking my star like that. Like this. And then we'll put some sequins. You can do the sequence with your glue gun as well. And then I'm just pressing my sequence here. You can use any color. I'm just using red because it's really popping out. That's it, there we go. And now just put some twine. If you want, you can decorate it more. You can use some confetti, or you can also hole punch some glitter paper with the normal hole punch here, and then you can just stick those instead of the sequence. So that's our tag ready, and you can write your message at the back and say Merry Christmas. I hope you guys had fun making this one. Do subscribe to my channel if you like this, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Till then, happy crafting and Merry Christmas. See you. Bye.